You're scrolling through your socials, wondering, should I pour my budget into Facebook ads? Or is TikTok the way to go? It's the ultimate question for anyone looking to dominate online marketing. But here's the catch. Choosing the wrong platform could mean throwing your money down the drain. Today, we're diving into the truth about these platforms and how to pick the one that will skyrocket your results. Stay till the end, because you don't want to miss the game-changing insight that could save you thousands. Facebook ads and TikTok ads are two giants in the digital advertising world, but they couldn't be more different. Facebook has been around for years, perfecting its data-driven targeting, making it a go-to for businesses looking for precise audience segmentation. Meanwhile, TikTok is the fresh face, all about creativity, trends, and capturing attention in a flash. Each has its strengths, but each also has its pitfalls. The question isn't just, which one is better? It's, which one is better for you?
Let's break this down with an example. Imagine you're running an online boutique, selling trendy, affordable clothing for Gen Z. You start with Facebook ads, spend $500, and get a handful of clicks, but no sales. Why? Because your target audience, Gen Z, spends their time on TikTok.
So you pivot to TikTok ads. You create a 15-second video with a trending sound, showcasing your outfits. Within a week, your video goes viral, driving hundreds of sales.
Now, flip the script. Suppose you're a B2B service provider, targeting small businesses. You try TikTok ads, but the professional tone you need just doesn't resonate. You switch to Facebook ads, use retargeting campaigns, and start generating quality leads at half the cost per click.
What's the takeaway here? The platform you choose has to align with your audience and your goals. So how do you choose? If your product is highly visual or appeals to younger audiences, TikTok is your playground. Lean into trends, quick videos, and storytelling. But if your goal is precision targeting, long-term relationship building, or reaching a slightly older demographic, Facebook is your best bet. The data tools there are unmatched. But here's the thing, why not both? Combining TikTok's creativity with Facebook's precision targeting can be a killer strategy. Imagine a TikTok video driving traffic to a Facebook retargeting campaign. Now you're playing the game on both fronts. At the end of the day, it's not just about which platform is better. It's about understanding your audience, your goals, and how to use these tools to get the most out of your budget. And trust me, the right decision can mean the difference between wasting thousands and scaling your business like never before.
If you're serious about mastering digital marketing and maximizing your ad spend, hit that subscribe button now. I've got tutorials, tips, and insights coming your way that will keep you ahead of the competition. Don't forget to check out the next video. It's packed with strategies to help you thrive online. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.